Do it alone. Whatever you have in your mind from a very long time. I know you can do it and you should do it. You should follow your instincts. You should follow your gut feeling. Nobody's gonna come and tell you, okay, you have to do this, you have to act on it. Nobody's gonna do that for you, okay? Only you can save yourself. Only you can do it for yourself. Do that work which you really wanted to do from a very long time. I know you have that courage, you have that potential, you have that idea, you have that creativity, you have that thing in yourself. And I know you can feel it within yourself. And I know you can do it. So, for the sake of yourself, for the sake of your future self, for the sake of your potential, for the sake of your gut feeling, for the sake of your higher self, just do it. Just remember that you are not alone uh, in this situation. You are not alone. Trust me on that. You are your savior, and the universe and God, on whatever thing, in whichever thing you believe, is there with you. Be proud of yourself. Don't don't think negatively. Okay? I know you can do wonders in this world, in this life. You can have it all which you have dreamt of. I know that. And you can do it. I really know that. And just keep working on yourself. Don't ever think that you are alone in this. Don't you ever feel like that. You are your savior. Just do it alone. Lock it in. I know you can do it. I know that. Just completely forget what people say, what people not say. It's fine. It's totally, completely fine. Okay? Just believe it in yourself. And I know you can do it. I really know that. You can do it and you will achieve that thing. You will achieve whatever you are wanting in your life. And just believe yourself. Don't you ever doubt yourself, and don't you ever think that you are alone on this planet, on this earth. Or don't you ever feel like that nobody is supporting you. Don't you ever feel like that. God is always there with you. Have faith in God, have faith in universe. In whichever thing you believe, have faith in that and believe yourself. Believe in yourself. That's the major thing you have to do it. Okay? I know you will do it. So do it alone. Don't think that, oh, people will say that nobody's there for me. I don't have any friends. Don't ever think like that, okay? Don't you ever think like that. Don't you ever be in a negative mindset. Don't don't you ever be in that state. Okay? Just think positively and do it. Do the work, whatever, in whichever field you are in, whatever things you are interested in. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it for yourself. Do it alone and be the best version of yourself. Okay? Good luck.